Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Wellness Corner by Anokhi Videos. In today's episode, we are going to delve deeper into the significance of understanding what we are feeding our bodies and how it affects every aspect of our lives. Given the vastness of this topic, I want to focus specifically on one key element today. We are all running this marathon together, often chasing after trendy terms like rapid weight loss, detox water, or belly fat burners. Many global markets capitalize on our confusion and lack of awareness about what our bodies truly need. So today, I'm trying to simplify things and highlight a nutrient that is crucial yet often overlooked. I would like to put an emphasis on the importance of a nutrient that repairs our tissues and build the muscles, the proteins. When I mention building muscles, you might immediately picture a bodybuilder lifting heavy weights with bulging muscles. But believe me, that's not quite what I'm referring to. From a young age, we learn about the importance of a balanced meal and the five macronutrients that are essential for our health: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates and fats give us energy, proteins build and repair cells, and vitamins and minerals play roles in immunity, healing, and hormone regulation. Life was indeed much simpler then. Even though all these nutrients are highly important, us with our generational eating habits somehow ends up focusing on eating more carbs than any other nutrient. What's for breakfast? Oh, some crispy and yummy masala dosa with green chutney. What's for lunch? Curd rice, pickle and papad. Yum. What's for dinner? Got some leftover dosa batter from breakfast. Shall I make some more gyros? If you analyze your daily meals, are they protein rich? If yes, excellent. If not, it is high time to make some conscious changes for all of us, me included. What are these hype around proteins? Why are they so important? Well, the reasons are numerous. Primarily, proteins are essential for building and repairing cells. They provide the strength needed for daily activities and help maintain muscle mass. Secondly, did you know that increasing your protein intake can actually help you lower your overall calorie consumption? Maintaining a calorie deficit is crucial for weight loss, and protein can play a key role in this. Protein keeps you fuller for longer, reduces hunger pangs, and curbs sugar cravings, which help you eat less overall. Additionally, digesting protein requires more effort than digesting carbs and sugars, meaning your body expends more energy and burns more calories just in the process of digestion. Thirdly, protein helps you stay fit as you age. As you get older, particularly into your 30s and beyond, your metabolism tends to slow down, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Increasing your protein intake can boost your metabolic rate, strengthen your bones, and help you preserve muscle mass. Now, where do we get this protein from? Not all foods are rich in proteins. It is crucial to balance your meals with carbs, protein, and fats. For instance, pair your masala dosa with a cup of sprouts, or your curd rice with a bowl of dal. Even small changes can make a big difference. For vegetarians like myself, meeting daily protein needs can be challenging. Ideally, you should aim for about 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For example, if you weigh 60 kg, that is around 90 grams of protein daily. Going below 1 gram per kilogram of body weight is not advisable. Meat and eggs are excellent source of proteins, but it is advised to limit the consumption of deep fried and ultra refined category foods. Here are some vegetarian protein options for those of us who might struggle with even simple protein like egg whites. First one is paneer. Keep it simple. You don't need to make an elaborate paneer dish every time. Just crumble some paneer, saute it with veggies of your choice, and a bit of butter or ghee. It's quick and easy. Second, soya. Include soya into your meals by adding it to your pulao, mixing it into your gravies, or preparing a classic soya chunk sabji. Third, lentils. Whether it is dal, green gram, rajma, or any other pulses, make sure to cook them properly to avoid bloating and indigestion. Soak them for a few hours before cooking and add lots of ginger, garlic, and cumin for better flavor and digestion. Fourth is curd. Fresh curd is soothing for your stomach, aids in digestion, and provides protein. Just remember to moderate your intake, especially in the evenings. Fifth is cheese. Contrary to popular belief, cheese does contain some protein. However, moderation is the key as with all the foods. These options can help you meet your protein needs without relying on animal products. If you are someone who lifts heavy weights regularly, including protein powder could also be an option. Also, if you have any other vegetarian protein sources to share, please do let me know in the comments. To conclude, let's become more conscious of what we eat and how much we eat. Let us shift our perspective from viewing food as a mere entertainment to seeing it as a source of life and nourishment. The information that I have gathered to make this video is a revelation for me too, and I'll also be making a more conscious food choice from now on. Let us embark on this journey together and recognize the impact it can have on our lives. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next episode of Anokhe Videos.